What is monopoly? Monopoly is a situation where there is only one producer. So it's like the complete opposite from perfect competition. We shall actually talk about monopoly slightly differently, but let me give you the standard fare and then I shall tweak the monopoly concept. So, do you actually have monopolies? Very rare, because to have what is required for a monopoly, you must have barriers to entry, right? It must not be possible for firms to get into this industry. So, what can you give me some examples of barriers to entry? Government regulation. As in, you can't start railways, right? Once upon a time, you couldn't start airways, airlines, telecom was not allowed. You can't do anything with nuclear power or anything, that's the government. You can't send off satellites into space, right? Only ISRO can do it. So, and of course, around the world, lots of things which are very strangely regulated. For instance, lots of cities around the world, taxis are regulated. You can't just simply say in a city like New York or London, go and say, I want to start my own taxi service. It's not allowed. Okay? There are strong barriers to entry. Some regulation certification is required. So, government regulation is typically one of the strongest reasons why monopolies exist. Well, beyond that, I would say talk about patents and copyrights, particularly things like pharmaceuticals, etc., medicines. You are given a patent. The idea is that you have spent lots of resources to come up with this new medicine, new drug, and then if so everybody is allowed to just go ahead and copy, then you won't get the right remuneration. So, what it will do is it will reduce the incentive to invest, to innovate. So, therefore, we have patents and copyrights. Now, of course, there are lots of very interesting issues. IPR is this big thing nowadays, right? Intellectual property rights. And so, what can be patented and what cannot be. So, lots of weird fights, right? Basmati is patented. Can it be patented? Is it a geographical indicator? Can somebody go? I have seen Texmati rice, right? Grown in Texas. Basmati grown in Texas, Texmati. And of course, one of the most peculiar is with software. Is software, can it be patented or is it just a copyright? Because software is written, and so typically written works, books, poems are copyrighted. But software also does all sorts of other things, right? So, should it be patented? Should it be copyrighted? In that same way, lots of things like capital requirements, advertising, expenditure, these are thought of as barriers to entry. So, it's not very clear whether it should actually be, these things should actually be considered as barriers to entry.